Simulan na natin to. Starting off with, sino unang babysita sa di na papasok? Big number? 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 Number 4! Heart! Hand! And finally, the start na. Kanina pa to si number 4 na sobrang seryoso. Relax, babe. Good there, you may see. Susunod na sasama kay Heart ay si big number! Number 2, Kim Lopez! Dala siya. Talagang pasukan eh! Alright, Kim, dito ka muna, pipicture ka muna namin. Relax, relax, guys. Siya atang matindi competition. Alright. Breathe in, breathe out, girls. You guys, I'll see you guys again on the fashion show, okay? Pasok na kayo. Hinga. Isa na lang po ang papasok sa Grand Finals at sa fashion show ng mga babes. So, hindi po papasok. Congratulations still dahil ginawa mo ang best mo. Siyempre, you gained the experience. Sino kaya ang huling babysita? Tulungan niyo ako! Si babe number! Babe number 1, Joyce Banda! Sa mga kalalakihan. Sino kaya unang hunk na mag-move on sa Grand Finals in no apparent order? Starting off with hunk number 2, Choco Castro! Congratulations!
Number 5.
Joining Choco is hunk number 5, Jerome Balieri. Joining Choco and Jerome is hunk number 4, Nober Alejo. Alright, once again, we only have one hunk who will move on to the Grand Finals. If you are not called, thank you so much for joining. We still have multiple pageants to join. Mali mo, susunod, ikaw na ang manalo. But for the meantime, this hunk will move on to the Grand Finals, and he is hunk